Cinderella, don't start it.
This is from Royal Highness.
Oh, is it? Thank you. Stepsisters, stepsisters, a letter from the royal palace has arrived. I do wish to go to the ball.
I have never seen such a beautiful woman in my whole life.
Oh no! The prince is going to dance with her? This is not fair. He was meant to dance with me.
Would you like to dance with me?
Oh yes, Your Highness. I would be honored.
Every dance with her, suddenly the clock began to strike 12.
Cinderella, go and open the found my stilettos.
No, it is my stilettos. I am the princess you are looking for.